Santander on its products?
Okay, so welcome to Santander Sugar Group. We are a Belizean company and we produce raw sugar, brown sugar, molasses, and we generate energy. We're a very sustainable company. We do 100% mechanized harvest, so we do not burn the fields. And with the wastes of the factory, we produce an organic fertilizer called compost. All of our sugar goes to the Caribbean market and to Europe, and also to the United States.
So no, it's not sold locally.
No, we are not selling locally yet. Hopefully that will change. But for the moment, we're exporting and we're making Belize's name staying high in the sugar market.
How big is your workforce?
Okay, actually we do have 2 seasons at Santander. We have the harvest season that goes from January until approximately July, depending on the weather conditions. It's when we harvest the cane and produce the sugar. And then we have the maintenance season that will go for the second half of the year, and which do maintenance to all the machinery, every maintenance from the harvester, tractors, and the factory we do in-house, right? And during harvest season, we hire approximately 975 people, and during maintenance season, we do around 450 people.
People still cut by machete or just
No.
mechanical?
Only harvester. All the cane we harvest is through this
Big machine
harvester.
here.
Yes.
So
We don't burn, we just, it cuts in green, and it's called a front. This harvester works, it's teamwork. It goes with a tractor, cage, and truck, and they would be cutting in sync and bringing the cane to the factory.
do you have sample here of your product?
Yes, we do. Erwin, pásame la caña. This is, you go from that one, sorry.
Okay.
This is the cane,
All right.
that we
Yes.
plant,
Yes.
and then you cut it with the harvester, goes like this to the factory,
Okay.
and then in the factory we produce brown sugar. This is the brown sugar. The brown sugar goes into 50 kilo bags and 25 kilo bags,
Okay.
and that is what we export.
And the molasses?
Okay, sorry. So the molasses are a byproduct of sugar production, and the molasses we also sell wholesome, and we have here some Travelers Delicious rum, which is made from the molasses that Santander sells to them. Also, we also generate energy. We sell 15% to the breed of Belize. So part of the energy that comes to your house comes from Santander Sugar Group.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we have the light sugar here. Why isn't it browner than
Darker.
this one?
Yeah. Okay. The thing is, it all depends on the settings that you put in the factory, right? Because and the preference of the client. So the color of the sugar goes by ikumsa. So depending on the ikumsa that the customer asks for, that's how you set the color of the sugar. It doesn't mean that it's sweeter. It doesn't mean it's just different color of sugar.
And everything in between. We're giving away $150 to the strongest man here in Belmont today. Remember, you have to be the strongest man, you can be the strongest woman and win that first prize. Second prize is $100 and third prize is $50. Bring your kids and participate in the quiz. At the obstacle course here at NAPS 2022. It's super easy. It's going on right now. We have a lot of people sign up. Registration is free. Come and participate and win. Obstacle course going on right now. Come on, come on, one, two here. participate in the King's Corner, participate in the sugar section. We got a lot of great prizes and a lot of stuff to give around here at Nuts 2022. We're sharing 55 years of sugar excellence here at Nuts 2022 at our ASR PSR booth. Sign up for the Strongman competition to walk away with $150 English cash and the first prize. It's going on right now. We're starting the competition. And it's happening live at Nuts 2022. Prize is $50 at the ASR PSR booth. Today, just for participating. Everything is free. We brought it to share with everyone here at Nuts 2022. Come and have some fun. Take a picture with Juan Suco. He's going to be in the building later on for the honor show. Answer some questions. Walk away with some great prizes. And of course, 150...
Good morning. You want to tell us about your Dambriga Urban Farmers Market Day?
Yes, this is Dambriga Urban Farmers Market. It's a group that was organized together since 2014. And we're just basically encouraging people to grow their crop so that you know what you're eating. So those are some of the things that we have here. But it's not only about plants, but all the different crafts that people can do, and we have quite a variety of them. If you can look on the
how many people are involved in this?
in this group we have about 42 members.
42?
Yeah.
Male and female?
Male and female, yes. Men and women. And then we have a junior group. We call them Dambriga Urban Farmers. And then we have a junior. Most of them who are the children of the members, and so they do a lot of the crafts and the different pastries and so on.
Okay. So where do you sell this, or it's only for the group?
Yes, we sell. Yes, for right now we sell it for the group. In Dambriga, we meet every end of the month, every last Saturday in the month, by the Y, where the drums of our father is in Dambriga. There is an open space there. There is where we usually meet.
Your little open market
yes,
there.
Yes, open market every end of the month.
So people can go and buy there, or
yes, you can
anybody.
buy there. Yes, anybody. And then we are also working on the online on Facebook, where people can get in touch with us, and then we can ensure that whatever you order from whichever part of the country you can.
Oh, so you can deliver.
Yes, it can be delivered.
Oh, excellent. So since when did you begin this group here?
This group is from 2014. This group has been organized, and we have been working since then. And it's not only about farming, because we help in development within the community, within the Dambriga community as well, like cleaning the roadside, cleaning the beach. So it's a wide range of stuff that we do.
Excellent, excellent. Like community service
Yes,
too, you do, huh?
yes.
Excellent. So who does this? Yeah,
It's my wife.
she's here.
Behind her, yes.
I'm Karen Martinez.
Okay, Miss Martinez, tell us about these products that you do.
Okay, this is my style here, and
Yes.
then the brand is Ethnic and Exotic.
Yes.
The reason why I chose that is because traditionally people feel like what we have locally is not good enough. but I am showing them that what you have
It's
can
quality.
be as good as or even better than those
imported.
things that we always look at from outside.
Yes,
So
yes.
these are all homemade, handmade products.
Okay, you have, I see men's soap,
Yes.
and then this is, say what? Homemade with love.
All of them are homemade. And then we, what I also noticed is that we usually focus on females.
Uh-huh.
So what I do is I try also to focus on males.
Exactly.
So the first two stands here are male soap.
Yes.
And then since men love cologne, I decided to use some essential oil flavors.
Yes.
So this one is sandalwood.
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 Okay.
So when you bathe with that, you do not need to really wear cologne because
Oh.
it's already smelling of sandalwood.
Perfumed
which is-
already.
Yes. And then this one is also for males, and I'm doing these for Father's Day. 'Cause
Alright.
You usually can't find much things for fathers.
Yes.
So what the concept is again is when you pack them together, and then you use local things that you find around.
Yes, yes.
Like we have a carpenter near where we
Okay.
live. We get this scrap lumber.
So this is a
after
set. Do you sell them by set?
Yes. So we put them together, and
Okay.
then they are exotic.
Yes.
So from ethnic use, we put them together, and now you look at them, you would say, wow, this is exotic. So that's the idea.
Made in Belize.
Yeah, made in Belize, and using local products.
Local products, yes. And the people who have the skill to do those little boxes for you.
Yes. Well, actually, this man here is the person who
Oh, he's the guy.
put them together.
Oh, excellent, excellent.
Yeah, and all these are made by us. So if you look at all of us with the green
Oh,
shirt,
I see the dolls too here. D and G.
yes, this one
So all
here,
this here.
these, we have two styles that are for our juniors. So we
Okay.
are the bigger urban farmers.
Uh-huh.
We have two styles for our juniors. This one, this person here, here she is. She does all of these from local products also. We have moringa cookies and we have orange cookies.
Moringa.
Yes, moringa. She dries the leaves and she makes the cookies.
Wonderful.
And likewise, she does that with the oranges. So
Oh.
that is hers, and she's one of the junior.
She's a junior.
Yes, she's a junior. Turn back here to our
But excellent.
Uh-huh.
Oh yes,
Yes.
a junior, yes. I think it's a very good way of bringing the kids
Yes.
doing worthwhile things, no?
And we have the,
Aprons,
this
dolls.
one here is Mrs. Castillo. So
Mrs.
this is her
Castillo, you
style.
are the one who's doing these beautiful
Yes,
dolls.
arts and craft, right?
Yes.
So I do dolls, cultural dolls. Then I have aprons.
Yes.
I have bags, tote bags,
Okay.
right? And then I have makeup bags.
Ah, beautiful, beautiful. So how did you begin this?
Actually, I started this about 4 years ago.
Okay.
I just started, my sister sent some dolls from black dolls from the States, and I didn't know what to do with them because she just bought them on sale. And then I decided to dress them in Garifuna costumes and
Yes.
posted it, and I started selling them.
Pretty, these are pretty little dolls here. Yes. Do you sell outside of Dangriga? If somebody wants to buy, how can they get in touch with you?
Okay, they would have to get me on Facebook or
Under which name?
Facebook. Is anytime they just message me, send me a message, and I could just package it and send it to them.
Okay.
Or my phone number is 653-0357. So they can call me,
Excellent.
message me.
It's a beautiful group you have here,
Yeah, thanks.
working together, huh?
This is my granddaughter.
The granddaughter. Hey, hello.
Right? She does the bows.
Tell us about what you're doing.
I help my grandmother out. I do scrunchies and bows to sell. Around $3 each.
$2, $5, yeah.
Phone purses, so you put your phone in there.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Okay. Congratulations, you're doing a wonderful job. Yes. And then you also do these things here. What
Okay,
about this?
these are from my other colleagues.
Okay.
Plants, right? So there's strawberry, there's aloe vera, pepper, Mali apple tree,
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
aki tree,
Okay, where's the okay, this one.
and lime tree. One of
Yes.
them is a farmer, actually a farmer.
So I think that's the way to go, you know?
Yes.
Sustainable.
There she is.
Tell us your name and then what you're doing here with this
My
thing.
name is Mrs. Della Sampson.
Oh, yes.
I'm a member of the Dangriga Urban Farmers.
Yes.
And here I do planting. I plant different trees. I have a farm, and also I have a rooftop. On my rooftop, I grow vegetables. I love to plant. So from my farm, I have neem, I have star apple, Mali apple, ackee, and strawberries, and aloe vera, as you can see.
Yes.
On my roof, I have vegetables like I plant cabbage, I would plant lettuce, I plant sweet peppers, I have tomatoes, and also I plant beets.
Since when have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for the past, I would say, over 5 years.
5 years.
I've been doing this, yes.
And what promoted you, what made you go into this?
Okay, I have a farm which I'm doing for the past 15 to 20 years. I'm doing farming. And then I met with Karen, the chairlady, and then we decided to farm this group in 2014. And then she told me, if I am doing farming, why don't I try vegetables? And so I told her, I don't have space because I have big dogs in my yard. So she told me, okay, I'll go to your yard and see what you have. So since I don't have space on the yard and I have an empty roof, I said, try it on the roof.
Okay.
And then I said, okay, I'll try plants, so let's try it. And what you have to do, the Department of Agriculture, they help us because they teach us how to do our soils, how to do our seedlings, how to prepare everything, and from then we start to plant.
So they give you support?
Yes, they do. The Agricultural Department, yes.
What a message to the rest of the women in Belize to do something like this?
My message to the rest of the women in Belize, don't be scared. You can have container, simple as sack, simple as bag, you can plant in it. It's simple and easy. Any container, any little spot you have, you can plant. Even on your veranda, on your patio, on your walkway, on your stairs, you can put it into bags and then you can plant in there.
Thank you.
Okay, then sure.